Hi guys, welcome to Ron channel. In this video, I want to have a review about Livescribe Smartpen. The Livescribe Smartpen captures everything that you write and everything that is spoken. Inside the pen is a camera that takes a picture of your notes as you write them. It also has a built-in microphone that lets you record what is being said. Once the pen is turned on, which requires the click of a button, the pen will be taking a picture of the notes that you write. The Livescribe Smartpen works with Livescribe.paper, which comes in a variety of sizes. You can print your own paper if you have a compatible laser printer. If you choose not to take notes, you can record the audio and replay the session. If you're a slow writer, have difficulty taking notes, or simply want to record the speaker, tap on the record icon at the bottom of the page and the pen will record what is said from that moment on. Stop the recording whenever you want by tapping on the stop or pause icon. If you choose to record and take notes simultaneously, you can spend more time listening to the speaker and then write only the most important information. Later on, you can go back and listen to any part of the audio recording by tapping anywhere on your written notes. The audio will be from that point in your notes. When listening to the audio recording, you discover you have missed important information, you can add it to your notes at that time. In addition to listening to the audio recording by tapping on your notes, you can transfer notes to your computer through Livescribe desktop software. Your notes appear just as they were written. If you have used the audio recording, you can place your cursor on a word and the audio playback will be at the point. Your notes appear just as they were written. If you have used the audio recording, you can place your cursor on a word and the audio playback will be at that point. You can also search for a particular word and listen from there. You can add notes to your notebook at any time and then redock your pen to the computer. New notes will appear in a different colored ink. Individual customized notebooks can be created, one for science, math, or history, for example. You can also share your notes with your friends through email, Evernote, Facebook, and such. If you choose, you can even purchase additional applications such as a dictionary for the Livescribe Smartpen. The Livescribe Smartpen is an assistive technology aid that facilitates the note-taking and learning process. Recording classroom discussions and taking fewer notes allows the dyslexic student to spend more time listening and learning. When returning to the material for homework or review, students have an opportunity to listen to important information a second time, add notes that may be of significance, and review what has already been written. Overall, the Livescribe Smartpen seems helpful, and I feel that for students in honors level or college level courses, the Livescribe pen is a very powerful study aid. However, there are students for whom the Livescribe Smartpen may not be a useful tool. While the Livescribe Smartpen is a newer aid for me, I am thoroughly enjoying the freedom it provides. Suddenly, I'm more available to listen, knowing that the pen is recording and that I can go back and re-listen to any part of presentation whenever I need clarification. I jot down what is most important and then I use my notes to guide me to a specific passage that I want to review. The more I use the pen, the more facile I become. And I like the fact that I can dock my notes to the computer and go back and review them at any time. The pen is a time saver and a gift to anyone who chooses to use it. Well guys, it's end of the video and thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please comment, like and subscribe us. And make sure to watch our another videos in the channel.